Hi. I'm here to talk to you about
Affiliate programs, when only the best will do, the 5 best beauty affiliate programs. As most of us know, there are thousands of affiliate programs on the internet selling all sort of different things. It is a great way for sellers to market their wares. Just get affiliates to sell for you and pay them a commission, usually anything from 20% to 50% of the asking price. It is also a great way for people looking to make money online. Just become affiliates. Becoming an affiliate is usually free and easy to get started, and in a lot of cases there is help given by the sellers, and of course each seller looks attractive, and in a lot of cases we are told we are the best. We have the highest conversion rates and any other advice that encourages us to affiliate with them and not their competitors. For the person looking to become an affiliate for the first time, and indeed for those of us that are not as successful as we first thought we might be, it can be a real challenge selecting person or company to affiliate with. We must look for honesty. Do they pay on a regular basis? Does their product sell well? Do they have good conversion rates? What is their cancellation rate? And most importantly, what percentage commission do they pay? Those are probably the most important details we should know at the outset of our investigations. There is a website, www.bestmoneymakersonline.com, where a lot of thought and research has gone into telling us some of the affiliate sites that, without any doubt, do what they say they do. Each and every one of them are moneymakers in their own right. On looking at the site, we will find that most of them are from the most successful operators online today. Operators that is sellers are making millions per year, and the affiliates are in a lot of cases making thousands per month. If you want to make a little extra money per week, if you want to make a lot of money per week, or if you want to become a very successful affiliate making thousands per month, this website is a good place to begin. It is not a big flashing or noisy site, but it is one of the best I have seen for straight talking advice that we as affiliates need, whether we are just starting out or whether we are older hands that are not making the success we thought we might. To be a success, we must get with the strength. We must affiliate with the programs that. Thank you for reading this article. I hope you have gained some information that allows you to become successful in this potentially lucrative and easy to operate business.
Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.